Bouncy egg, a simple science experiment which can be done at home with your children. The materials needed is a raw egg, a glass or jar, white vinegar enough to cover the egg, and a spoon for handling. Place the egg in the jar carefully, put the raw egg inside the glass jar. Now add enough vinegar to fully submerge the egg. You will see bubbles form in the shell right away. This is the carbon dioxide being released. Let it soak in vinegar for 24 hours. You can change the vinegar after 24 hours for best results. Now observe the reaction. The vinegar dissolves the calcium carbonate shell, leaving behind the inner membrane. The egg will look bigger and translucent. Now you rinse the egg gently and remove the eggshell bits. Now you can test the bounce. The egg will be soft and rubbery, and you can bounce it slightly on the surface from a very low height. Be careful, too much force will still break it. The science behind it: the vinegar reacts with the shell and calcium carbonate, produces carbon dioxide, and so dissolves the shell. But the membranes stay intact, giving the egg a squishy and bouncy texture. Place the egg in front of light and you can see the yolk clearly. After puncturing the egg, you can see the yolk separately and the shell membrane, the Wittlein membrane. Can you see it clearly? Now let me crack open an egg and show you the layers. Let's take apart a chicken egg and meet its layers. This hard calcium carbonate shell is an armor. It is beneath the two shell membranes. At the wide end, a pocket of air, that's called the air cell. The chick's first breath, if this were fertilized, would be seen. Now slip the shell off and pour this clear albumin or egg white onto a tray. The egg white comes in two layers: an outer firm, thick albumin layer that cradles the yolk, and an inner thin layer close to the center. Now you see the two chelaceae, twisted ropes that anchor the yolk so that it stays upright. The yolk itself sits inside a delicate Wittlein membrane. On its surface, a tiny white spot, the germinal disc, is where life would begin. Now you pierce the membrane and the yolk flows out. The yolk is rich in fats and nutrients and helps the embryo to grow. This is the embryo's pantry. From the shell to the membranes, albumin to yolk, every layer has a job, and together they are a blueprint and breakfast all in one. So don't miss your eggs in the morning. Do try the simple experiment and show the different layers of egg and explain the benefits of eating an egg daily, explaining the nutrient contents. If you like this video, do share with children. Now you can see me separating the yolk with a spoon, and I'm showing you the Wittlein membrane very clearly. It's a very strong membrane, doesn't break very easily. Do share this video with your friends and family. Share your feedback after trying the simple experiment at home. Hope you enjoy dissecting an egg. Keep watching my channel for more fusion content. Thank you.